Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. This is your GPY and we are on the 4 hours time frame. If you have watched my previous idea on this, I was showing you tips on tricks on how to enter a trade if you missed the main entry or the right entry for you, but you want to enter. And I told you guys that you need to go to a smaller time frame, such as the 1 hour. We draw together this support point, and I told you guys we need to see a closure below it to say that the price will go to the downside. Actually, for me, when I entered this trade, I noticed that. Actually, we were standing around this candlestick, and as you can see, I noticed that the price didn't close above it at all, and it gave this bullish price action candlestick. So I didn't enter. I waited for the price, and the price came all the way up again to the right spot, the one that I wanted to enter from, and I did enter my trade from this point, and it was a great and successful trade, achieved around 200 pips. But to put my theory into test and to help you guys, I waited for the price to come back again below the support, and I did enter my sell trade from there. Actually, it was pretty successful. I didn't wait for a retest around the support. I just entered after this candlestick closure. It closed below the support, so I did enter my sell trade around 166. This was my entry, and it was amazing trade. It did exactly as I said. I told you guys, once you enter in the right direction, you have no worries that the price will go to it and it will continue. So this is what happened after a candlestick closure below the support on the 1 hour time frame. I did enter my sell trade, and boom, it was amazing, and it achieved also to 100 pips. So I hope you guys did enter with me. If you used my theory and my strategy, it should have worked with you, and you should be in great profit. And I'm very happy that the strategy was a success, and I hope you share your thoughts with me in the comments below. I will put to you in the related links the original video where I was teaching you how to find another place to enter a trade if you missed the original one. So, trace of everybody, and see you in the next video.